Your legs feel heavier than they used to. Getting up takes a second longer than it should. These exercises are going to help with that. And move number 5 is the one most people never try. It is the reason the other 4 actually work. Stay with me. You can do the first one before this video ends. Millions of people over 60 feel exactly this. You are not alone. It is called sarcopenia, natural muscle loss that speeds up after 60. It happens to almost everyone who does not work against it. It is not laziness, it is biology, and it is reversible. There was a time you did not think about your legs at all. You just moved. Your muscles still remember how to do that. Margaret is 71. She stopped going to her weekly card game, not because of the distance, because she did not trust her legs from the car park to the door. Her story does not end there. Which leg gives you the most trouble? Tell me in the comments, right, left, or both. You've spent your whole life showing up for other people. Your legs feeling different now is not the end of that story. It is a moment in the middle of it. And here's what the research actually shows. Leg muscle in adults over 60 responds to movement in as little as 4 weeks, not gym training, chair exercises. Your doctor knows this is real. Most appointments are just too short to explain it. Here's the part most people never hear. The muscles most responsible for your balance are not the big ones. They're smaller. They respond to consistency, not intensity. You do not have to push hard. You just have to show up. Keep an eye on number 5. It's the one that ties all of this together. Exercise 1. Seated marching. Let's start gently. Sit tall, feet flat on the floor. Lift your right knee, lower it slowly, then the left. Alternate for 30 seconds. Margaret started here. She said the first morning it felt almost too easy. That's the point. This wakes up your hip flexors, the muscles that control every step you take. When they're weak, your stride shortens. When they're active, it comes back. Small steps lead to real steps. Exercise 2. Seated leg extension. Take your time with this one. Sit tall, lift your right leg straight out. Hold for 3 seconds, lower slowly. Repeat on the left. Dorothy, 67, had stopped gardening because kneeling and standing back up felt too risky. 3 weeks of this exercise, and she was back in the soil. This targets the quadriceps, your primary engine for standing up from a chair. The stronger it gets, the more confident you feel every time you rise. Your independence lives in this muscle. Exercise 3. Heel raises. Both feet flat. Raise your heels slowly to your tiptoes. Lower back down. 10 repetitions. No rush on these. Your calves act as a second heart. Every contraction pumps blood back up toward your chest. When they're weak, circulation slows and legs feel heavy by evening. Most people never make this connection, but this one exercise does 2 jobs at once. It builds strength and keeps your blood moving all day. Strong calves keep you going from morning to evening. If you're still here, you're already ahead of most people who click this video. What's coming next is exactly why that matters. Exercise 4. Seated side leg lift. Sit near the front edge of your chair. Lift your right leg slightly out to the side. Lower it slowly. 10 on each side. James, 74, was referred to a falls prevention class by his GP. This was the very first exercise they taught him. It targets the hip abductors, the muscles along the outer hip and thigh. They're what keep you steady with every step. When they're strong, you plant each foot with confidence. Strong enough to cross an uneven pavement without grabbing a wall. Strong enough to get down on the floor and back up again because your grandchildren will ask you to. Drop a comment below if that last one hit home. One more to go. This is the one I promised you at the start. Exercise 5. Sit to stand slow lowering. Sit at the front edge of your chair, feet hip-width apart. Stand up slowly, then lower yourself back down. Take a full 5 seconds. Control every inch. 5 repetitions. Take your time with those. Here's why this one works when nothing else has. It trains something called eccentric strength, your muscle working as it lengthens. That's the strength you use going downstairs, stepping off a curb, sitting back down in a chair. Most exercises build strength going up. This one builds the strength that catches you on the way down. That's the strength most people lose first, and the one that matters most. Margaret started this in week 2. By week 4, she walked back into her card game. She told her daughter she had stopped counting the steps from the car. You've earned strong legs. You're not starting over, you're starting again. If this helped you today, tap the like button now. It helps more people like you find this channel. Subscribe for more simple, honest guidance for seniors. You don't need to do all 5 today. Pick one, the one that felt most possible when I described it. Do it tomorrow morning before the kettle has boiled. That's how strength comes back, one quiet morning at a time. Tell us in the comments which exercise you're starting with. We read every one. See you in the next video.